welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can sign out of all your devices at once in your Netflix account. So guys, if you feel like someone else is using your account and you want to protect it by changing your password, but even after changing your password, they still wouldn't be signed out, so you need to manually sign them out through your browser or your Netflix account app. So guys, just go ahead and open your Netflix account in your browser if you're using PC, or just open your app if you're using a phone. And now just look at the top right corner where you can see your profiles, and along with your profiles you can find options like manage profiles, transfer profile, account, and help center. You can also see the sign out of Netflix button, but if you tap there you would only be signed out from this device. So in order to sign them out from all the devices, we need to go to account. So tap there, and now you can find even more options. At the left corner you can see membership, security, devices, and profiles. Just go ahead and devices, and now go ahead and tap on access and devices. Once you tap there, you'll find all the devices that uses your Netflix account. Scroll down again, and right at the bottom you can find this sign out of all devices in red font. Guys, there you go. Just go ahead and tap on this button and you would be able to sign out of all the devices. Guys, that's how you sign out of all devices in your Netflix account. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.